My name's Tim Basinger. I'm with R3 Construction, and I'm our Florida Regional General Manager and Senior Project Manager. R3 Construction started with a dream of really helping people navigate insurance claims process while also recover, restoring, and rebuilding after major storm events. With that, it led to starting this project that we're on here today. They had a couple of different storms that happened over the last couple of years. Total, I think we've completed around 5,000 squares of roofing to date on this project, and we still have a little bit more to finish. Dave at Florida Equipment Rentals was really fantastic. I gave him a call, and honestly, overnight, he drove his machine up here from South Florida. I would say it's probably about a 7 or 8 hour drive, and made sure that I had it here first thing in the morning the day that we needed it.
What I like about the Equipter, it can drive through almost any terrain, and it cuts our production time almost in half. So the property we're working on today has a 9-hole chip and putt golf course, which limits the access to most of the buildings on property.
We drove it directly through the fairway, and if we were using a heavy machine, it would have torn up the grass, it would have left ruts, divots, all sorts of just mess on the golf course there. With the Equipter, it was nothing. No tracks, no issues, no divots, no ruts. It was like we were never even there. The Equipter has been invaluable with our production here. We're able to reach areas that we weren't able to reach before. We're being able to keep a cleaner work site and just make it a lot easier for our crews to navigate these tight areas. This is a resort community, and really we're trying to minimize our impact on this property so that people can enjoy their vacations. And with the Equipter, it allows us to get these shingles, right off the roof into a dump bucket and get it into the trash without having a bunch of debris on the ground and worrying about little kids stepping on a nail or something of that nature. We also have a lot of pets that are here too, and it helps out for our furry friends too. If you're unsure, just reach out to Equipter and they'll get you set up with somebody in your area that has a rental available. Rent it on a couple of jobs and see how it goes for you. I guarantee you're gonna be impressed, because for us, it's an invaluable tool.